Hello. Now that you have your four walls made, which is a great, your exterior walls, excuse me, now it's time to actually put it on a board. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate today. So now if we take a look at this right here, this is our side wall. And these are the front, or these are the short walls, all right? So what you gotta do is remember, the short walls go inside the side walls, all right? On the inside, so make sure that you do that. Now we take our house, all right? We take our house right here, and make sure that you, let me just kind of turn this, make sure I got two walls pounded on the board right here. Just make sure your four walls fit into or onto the baseboard that I give you. Now, you see my window placement right here? I could also have the window placement over here. So make sure you set your walls up exactly how you want to do your interior walls going forward. Because if this is in the wrong spot, it's not going to work out for your design. So I take the window and door and I pound it in right there. Now here is the back wall that has nothing in it, and this is the way that I want to do it. So now what I do is I take this right here. This is my front wall. I'm going to put it, make sure it goes on the inside. So what I do right here is, now that I have my two walls, all you're going to do is start a few nails along the side. Make sure it's even right here with this. Make sure it's even on the bottom. Don't worry about top too much, but make sure it's even on the bottom. And pound in your walls. Now, my suggestion to you is leave this side float a little bit, because when we go to install our next wall, that way we can move it a little bit if need be. So now I'm gonna start down in this far corner, make sure it's even, put it in. Now, if we leave this edge, this wall free floating a little bit, this one free floating, now I can arrange my walls so they meet up flush with this corner down here, so everything works out good. Remember, don't worry about the top right now. Don't worry about the top. Everything will come together as we move forward. So now that I have my four exterior walls nailed down exactly where I want them, now is the time that we need to design interior walls, and that will come in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I don't grade this portion of it, not yet. It will be graded, but a little bit later.